Alright, so today we have a 6S. It's not really taking a charge. We plugged it into the DC power supply and tried to boot it. As soon as it started coming on, we got about 0.7 amps, and we are thinking that it is the Tristar. So we're getting this board ready. We just peeled off that sticker. Let's see. We're getting there. Okay, here we go. There's the Tristar there. We just grab a set of these hakko pliers. CHP-170 is the model. I like to just pry up on this piece of metal, get it up about that much, and grab it, and I like to give it a little twist. What that does is it starts basically ripping from itself. You can leave it like this right there. I like to cut it off. I just like cut it off, get it out of the way. I used to just fold it back down. Lately I've just been cutting it off. Okay, so there's the Tristar chip. We're just going to put a little bit of flux around it. We have the board on a preheater right now, and it is set at 180 degrees Celsius. So this board is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. We're using hot air here. We have it set at 340 degrees Celsius with a 60 liter per minute airflow. The thing is that quick 861DW is not calibrated, so it's probably off by about 50 or 60 C. Right there I was just going to add some low melt solder, and it kind of got away from me, and so I'm just adding it onto the board there with some tweezers. We'll add a little bit more flux, and then we get the little micro pencil and just move that low melt solder around the board. Around those pads there, just so that way it'll be easier just to wick that stuff off of there. So here we go. We're going to get some wick. We're going to add a little bit more flux first, and then we're going to get some wick, and we're just going to kind of brush it over those pads. So we'll brush it over these pads, get up as much as we can. I thought it was going to get up a little bit more, but we'll come in with the iron on top of the wick and get that solder off of those pads. So it's really nice with the preheater. I think I have the iron set at 450 degrees Celsius. Like 99% sure about that. But yeah, preheater set at 180 degrees Celsius. Alright, so we've got the pads cleaned, and now we want to go back in and we want to add the new, well, we're going to clean that just a little bit, but we want to go in and we're going to add the new Tristar chip. So first we're going to add a little bit of flux. That's what we're seeing here. And then we're going to add the Tristar in place. There we go. And then we'll switch to real time. Right there we were at 3x, the normal speed. Right here we're back at regular time. So preheater still set at 180 degrees Celsius. Hot air is set at 340 degrees Celsius with a 60 liter per minute airflow. And the chip, it's pretty much on there now. I'm going to give it a little bump, make sure that it's on there. But what I want to do is I want to go back over it, and I'm going to give it a nudge and see that it moves, and then it goes back into place. That tells me that it's good to go. Alright, so that's it. iPhone 6s Tristar replacement. Pretty straightforward. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and you all have a wonderful new year.